Hi friends, I have the honor and pleasure of having with me Dr. Rashi Krishnani. She is ranked 28 this DNB. Heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, sir. The pleasure is all mine.
And we are very proud to have you today with us in DAMS today, and we are very, very proud of your achievement. And it has been a pleasure to interact with you over the last few minutes that I've been able to talk to you. You've come across as a very, very, very genuine person and a very hardworking girl. And she's gotten rank 28 all over India in this mid-year DNB exam, and I'm sure she's going to enlighten us about her preparation and how she went about things. But first, let me begin by asking her, what is your feeling right now?
I am very happy, very excited, and very nervous right now.
Yeah. So what is it like, when you saw your result and you saw rank 28, what was the feeling?
I checked my result again actually. Then I logged out, then I checked my result again, and then I was sure, okay fine, this is rank 28.
And your idea was that when you started preparing, did you think that you joined us for test and discussion course this year?
TND got
So how was your experience when you started the course and when you actually gave the DNB exam? What differences did you feel in yourself in your preparation?
Honestly, sir, I will say TND helped me a lot. Giving those tests for 1 hour and then listening to the discussion was very, very, very helpful for me. The discussion, the notes, the teachers, everything is very nice. I think you should not skip the test part. Give the test and listen to the discussion. That will actually improve your rank many times.
So you were giving every test religiously.
Every test.
So that is one of the messages that I want to give to all the people who are appearing for test and discussion courses, that they should actually give the test. Because what I have seen is sometimes people, they avoid giving the test and they straight away come to the discussion. And that then you miss out on the half of the part.
That won't be helpful.
Yes. So, and did you find that the level of the questions that were there in the TND paper and the exams, and did you find those papers were similar to what you get in the real exam?
Very much. It seems like I was giving another TND from DAMS. So giving DNB was not a bigger task for me. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था मैं कोई DAMS का TND discussion दे रही हूँ. So ठीक था.
So you felt confident. You felt confident after that.
Very much.
And did you see that when you were giving the exams, did you give full course grand test exams also?
Yes.
So what was your idea on that? Did you feel confident after giving every grand test?
I think you should give your grand test as much as you can, and देने से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप उसके बाद उसको evaluate करो. See कि आपने क्या mistakes किए, and don't repeat those mistakes again. This is how you'll improve, and see gradually कि एक महीने में आपने कितनी improvement की. Right now my score is 160. Then next month it is 170. Then next month it is 180, and this is how you improve gradually. This is how I have improved.
So what I've gained from you is, and I'm sure the people listening to us have gained so far, is that whenever you attend TND, you sincerely give the paper, you target the TND like you're targeting the real exam, and then you give all grand tests. That was your strategy. And after the grand test, you used to look at what you have done wrong, evaluate your mistakes, and you used to work to improve upon them.
Try and not repeat those mistakes again and again. Yeah.
And because I've seen, and I'm sure you would agree, that people tend to make same mistakes again and again. So you made it a point to look at them and improve.
Yeah, sir. I actually made a separate copy, and I used to revise that every second day or every once in a week, so that I don't repeat those silly mistakes again. I don't repeat those mistakes again which I have made. That's
actually one of the things that you're saying is very close to my heart. I had put up an update recent past. I said, make a error book, write down your errors so that you can read them again.
Repeat them again. Yes.
It's a very, very important part of anybody's strategy who wants to do well. Now, Rashi, I want to ask you about any teachers in DAMS or any subjects or any discussions that actually inspired you in the classes.
Everyone inspired me, but now if I have to take a name, I'll take the name of obviously you, Deepthi ma'am, Rohan sir, Surya sir. There are some of the teachers who inspired me a lot. The classes were very helpful. मेरी micro बहुत खराब थी, but after attending those TND discussion, I was very confident. So yes, there are some teachers जिनको मैं special thanks कहना चाहूँगी. And
would you actually recommend your juniors from Bhopal? You've done your graduation from GMC Bhopal. You recommend your juniors to be a part of our courses?
Yes, come and be a part of DAMS family. You'll be that's the best decision I have taken in my life. Do think and do come, do join this family. You'll be helpful.
Did you follow us? Did you join us in the DAMS
I've
Facebook
joined
group?
that. I've
yeah.
joined that group and it was helpful. I usually don't post anything, but yeah, I have read all the doubts, all the posts where majority of the people are wrong. I have read all the pinned posts nicely. So yeah.
I think I've seen this is a very common strategy by all the toppers that I've interacted in the recent years. Most toppers are very silent on the Facebook, but they are very observant.
Yes,
they keep
sir.
looking at what others
Yes,
are doing,
sir.
but they don't tell other people what they are doubting. This is very smart of you. So, what branch do you think that you would be wanting to take? Have you actually thought over it right now?
Yes, sir. I am planning to take DNB radiology.
As
And
radiology
let's
is a
see-
very good branch, I feel.
Let's see now what future has for me. I am
We
right
wish
now
you all the
planning
best. We
for
are very sure
DNB.
that you'll do well.
you,
Now,
sir.
I want to come to a final few things in this interview, which I've been interacting with her before this, and but I did not tell her that what I'm going to do in the end. Okay, these are a few things that
Okay.
I'm going to ask her.
Okay.
One is that do you want to say something to your family through this medium? Because some of your family members would be listening to you and they are proud of you because of
Yes.
your achievement.
See, I want to thank my friends, my teachers, all of you guys, but a special thanks to my brother and my parents. My brother was actually an inspiration for me. He was like, नहीं कर सकती है, कर और मेहनत कर, एक और drop कर, yes you can do it. So special thanks to my brother. Thank you so much, भैया.
And I know because family parts forms as big a part as any teacher would do. It's
Especially
like
yeah,
everybody put
especially
together.
when I have taken my drop from home. So
Yes.
that was the great decision on
So
my part.
when you took a drop, I'm sorry interrupting you, and I'm asking
Yeah.
you another question.
Yeah.
Like some of the people who would take a drop, this all becomes a challenge in mind because some of your colleagues would be doing PG, you're taking a drop, and how do you manage that stress in that 6 months?
See, the time is actually stressful, but yeah, if you're very sure कि तुम्हें कुछ करना है तो go for it. Because जब मैंने किया था तो my half of the batchmates were settled. They took some of the other branch. That was actually depressing for me. But अगर तुम करना चाहते तो you will do it. It's just a matter of time. आज नहीं तो कल से ही. So don't compromise with anything.
So I think at that time, joining the TND kept you occupied, and
Yes,
family helped
yes,
you,
yes,
and you could
honestly, yes.
balance everything. Yes. And now my second thing that I want to I want to put you into a seat, and I want to ask you that वो क्या topics हैं, what subjects and topics do you think a person who is going to appear for the next NEET should focus on based on you did so well in this exam. So what do you recommend others to read for NEET 2017?
First thing is try and identify the major topic, major subject जो आए हैं. Then second thing is try and identify your weak points. You have to concentrate on these things. See, you can't be wrong in the major subject. The chunk that everybody is doing right, you have to do that right. The next part is जिसमें आप weak हो, find out those subjects, find out those topic, and do revise them again as many times as you can. These two things, this strategy helped me. But now you have to find your own strategy जो आप लोगों को help करे.
Any topics you want to mention to them? Any topics that they should read?
Topics are precisely PSM epidemio in
Epidemiology
NEET, for
is
NEET, this is something very important.
Topic, yes.
Anatomy is important. Basically concentrate on first or second year subject. People used to avoid those subjects, but yeah, they are very helpful.
Okay.
And yeah.
you make that this rank is actually talking to you, it feels that it was a cakewalk, easy thing to do. You just need to put in 6 months, you can do it. You want to say that?
You have to be consistent.
Consistent,
You have
yes.
to be hardworking
Hardworking.
and away from all those negative thinking. Then you can do it for sure. Anybody can do it.
She has actually mentioned a lot of things and which are very very pertinent. Being positive, being hardworking, and then in the end she says anybody can do it. It's not anybody. You have done it because you have done the hard work to reach there.
Yes, hard work
And
is
I'm-
actually very
yes.
important.
I'm sure she'll do very well in life. Now the
Thank
final
you
words,
so
I
much,
want
sir.
her to motivate people by saying something motivating in the end.
Do your best. Whatever field you are, whatever you are doing, do your best. एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हो अच्छे से पढ़ो, कोई काम करो अच्छे से करो. You'll be successful.
Do your best.
Stay happy,
Do
yeah,
your
stay
best
happy,
is
do
the
your
winning
best and
mantra
stay happy.
that Dr. Rashi Krishnani ranked 28 DNB mid-year this year. All over India she has ranked 28. We are very proud of her achievement. and I'm
Thank
sure
you, sir.
the entire and I want to use this media to congratulate her family members, her brother, everybody.
Yes.
They all we are very happy to be a part of her journey here. Thank you. We are signing off from DAMS here. Do write back to us if you feel any other queries you have, and I'm sure Rashi would be happy to answer.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. Thank
Thank
you.